Okay, so I have um, a Windows instance EC2 T2 Micro running service software, but I needed to increase the memory. However, if I stop the instance, which I need to do to change the instance type to T2 medium, I lose my public IP address, which which is an issue because then that means the server software and all the server clients that communicate with each other need to be changed. Um, so it looks like what I'm gonna have to do actually is to just create a whole new instance, start a Windows instance, and install server software, and then get an Elastic IP address, so that this issue won't happen again if by chance the server needs to be increased for memory again. So let's go to launch instance. All right, what I'll name it will be DP server version 2. I'm gonna go to Windows, and then I do have a AMI created, but I don't think it's it won't help because I have to that'll be the same thing where I have to change the IP address, but on the server software, and it's just too much work. So instance type T2 medium, 4 GB memory. Okay. Keep your login. I didn't make this before, so let's create a new pair. TRI server key version 2. Okay, create a key pair. Okay. Let's see here. Network settings. For now, I'm just gonna leave it like this. Okay. I think it needs training 120. Storage wise, I think it's fine. So I'll do it like this, and then advanced details. Let's see. Okay, everything else is fine. I'm gonna just go to the security group and see if there's already one created for this. Let's go back. compare instances. I'm just gonna see what the security group for this one is right now. Security group launch wizard 3. Okay, so I'm just gonna use launch wizard 3. Security group launch wizard 3. Okay, then let's launch the instance. Okay, so while it's doing this, I am going to get an Elastic IP address. Allocate. And it's easy as that. Okay. So I have this one IP address that is allocated to me. Go to instances. And I'm going to do I have to? Let me go back to IP address, IP, Elastic IPs, and then allocate it from here. It's 35. Associate. And then T2 medium, initializing IP address 13.52.11.111.111.111.35. Okay, so it's public IP has already been associated. So fast, so easy. And because this is a Elastic IP, when I stop it, I believe it should still stay. So let's test it. So I'm going to stop the instance. Normally, if you stop an instance, the public IP address will be sent back to the pool, and then when I restart it, I'll get a completely different IP address. But because I'm using an Elastic IP address, which has been allocated to this account, I stopped it, but the public IP should stay the same. 111.35. Okay. Let's refresh. Okay, while this is initializing, I already know it's going to be fine. I'm going to go to reserved instances so that I can pay less for this new instance that T2 medium that I just purchased. I have purchased reserved instances. Okay, it's going to be Windows. Right, what? Right? Let me just make sure. Yeah, Just make sure everything is fine. Platform Windows, platform details. Yeah. Windows Server. Oh, that's the AMI name, doesn't matter. So it's going to be Windows, platform details, Windows. Right there. Reserved instances. Let's go back. Purchase reserved instance. Windows. Yeah, it's not Windows with SQL. It's just Windows. Okay, Tennessee default offering class standard T2 medium. T2 medium term for 6 months. No upfront. Search. Boom. 0.46. It's like 20 cents cheaper or something like that, I think. And then I'm going to add to cart. And I believe it's supposed to be like $40, but now it's going to be 33. And then I'm going to order all. Boom. And now in my reserved instances, what happened to this? Oh, I have a T2 micro and a T2 medium for the two servers that I have. Okay, so go back to instances. Let's do initializing. Okay, it's running. And the IP address is still 1352.111.35. Okay. Now all I have to do is just remote into the server using the GUI and then install our Zoom's monitoring software as well as the server and see, and then go from there. AWS wise, it is complete. What I need to do is complete. And once I finish that, I will terminate this server and then go into all of my clients, client player PCs, and then change the IP address to so it faces this. Okie dokie.